Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Ford Expedition Platinum and I will show you how to change the displayed outside temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2015 to 2017, so the third generation after the facelift. And I'm pretty sure the newer ones will have the same process. Okay, now to do the change, you can do it through the main vehicle menu. You want to press the settings button, then you want to select settings here, then press the system on the top, and here you can choose between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So if I choose Fahrenheit, you can see that everything will change here, or Celsius. And that's it. This is especially handy if you're traveling between Canada and United States, because the measuring units are different. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.